Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to share your profile link on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes it super easy to connect with others and promote your account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your feed filled with posts from friends and accounts you follow. Next, look for your profile photo in the left corner of the page. Click on it to navigate to your profile. This will bring you to a page showcasing all your posts, followers, and information about you. Once you're on your profile, it's time to grab your profile link. Locate the browser's search box at the top of your screen. Click on it, and then select all the text that appears. This is crucial because you want to copy the entire link to your profile. After highlighting the text, right-click on the selected area. A menu will pop up, and from there, choose the copy option. This action will copy your profile link to your clipboard, ready to be shared wherever you want. Now that you have your profile link copied, it's time to decide where you want to share it. You can paste it into a direct message to friends, share it on other social media platforms, or even use it in an email. Just right-click in the message box or text field where you want to share the link and select Paste. If you're sending it via direct message, consider adding a personal note, like, "Hey, check out my profile." This small gesture can make your message feel more inviting and encourage interaction. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your profile link on Instagram using your PC. This simple method is a great way to connect with others and help them discover your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy sharing on Instagram.